Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir classes. This is Himantri Datta. So in today's discussion, we'll be talking about Nash equilibrium. So in the earlier video, we talked about the case where there were two Nash equilibriums. So in this particular case, we'll see the example where there is only one Nash equilibrium. So for this, first we'll take player 2. So the game will be looking like this. So here we will take player 2 and here we will take player 1. If you take player 2 here and player 1 here, and we'll write down the strategies of these two players. So player 1 has two strategies, that is we have denoted it by U and D, and player 2 has two strategies. One is right, another is left. So now I'll write down the payoff matrix of these players. So the payoff matrix will be equals to 9, 9, 1, 10, 10, 1, 2, 2. So these are the payoff matrix of player 1 and player 2. Now we will have to solve this Nash equilibrium. In the earlier video, we kinda understood how do we solve Nash equilibrium. We'll simply apply this understanding here. So for this, when player 2 makes the first move, okay, so first I will see the case of player 2, the first mover. In this case, what happens is that when player 2 makes the first move, that is he either plays R or L. Say player 2 plays R, then player 1 has to play. Now player 1 has to play either this or this, that is either up and down. Now when player 1 plays, as we know, we take the first one, that is in 9 and 10. We take the first numbers of the columns. So we take 9 or 10. As you can see here, 10 is the largest number, or 10 is greater than 9. We'll take the number 10. So that is the option D. So when player 2 makes the first move and plays R, player 1 plays D. Now we'll see what happens when player 2 plays L. So when player 2 plays L, say player 2 plays L, player 1 has two options, either 1 or 2. So either he can play 1 or he can play 2. Out of these two, as you can see, the better option would be 2. So player 2 plays, when player 2 plays L, player 1 plays D. So in this case also player 1 plays D. Now we'll take into consideration the incidents where player 1 is the first mover. So here player 1 is the first mover. In this case, when player 1 has two options, either U or D. Suppose player 1 plays U. Now player 2 can play either this or this. So player 2 can play this two, that is R or L. So out of these two, as it seems, so that is when we talk about the player 2's response, we always consider the last two numbers of the row. So if you take this number and this number, we'll conclude it to be that this one, it will be player 2's best response given the player 1's strategy or the player 1's move, that is option U. So when player 1 makes the Next, the movement U, the player 2 plays L. So when player 1 plays U, player 2 plays L. Now we will take into consideration the case where player 1 plays D. So in this case, as you can see, when player 1 plays D, player 2 plays, out of this 2 seems to be the greater one, as 2 is greater than 1. We compare these two. So we have found that he plays L. In this example, as you can see here, LD and DL, they are common. That is, LD and DL, they are common. That is this 2, 2, 2. So for player 1, option D is the optimal, which gives the highest payoff, and for player 2, option L is the optimal. So here the Nash equilibrium strategy would be 2, 2, which is D, L. So the Nash equilibrium strategies for player 1 and player 2 would be D, L. So in this example, we have only found one Nash equilibrium. In the previous video, if you go to the previous video, you see there were two Nash equilibriums. In this case, we have just found one Nash equilibrium, that is D, L. So at this point, no player has an incentive to deviate from this choice, that as this gives the best response or best payoff. So in today's video, we talked about Nash equilibrium of player 1 and player 2, Nash equilibrium where there is only one Nash equilibrium strategy. So in the next video, we'll talk about other possibilities. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836 793076. It is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shourabsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you'll also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed to crack the various entrance exams. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836 793076. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.